Good evening. My name is Alvini Cherishurel. I'm going to present my research study entitled Keyboard Troubleshooting, Identifying the Causes and Implementing Solution in Bachelor of Science and Computer Engineering students of Caduan State University. And now, I am going to present the overview of this study. First, introduction. Second, objectives. Third, conceptual framework. Scope and delimitation. Review of related literature and studies. Methodology. Introduction. Keyboard issues vary from mechanical faults, software conflicts, connectivity problems to user-induced errors. This study aims to address these problems by troubleshooting and maintaining regular keyboard functionality. Keyboard issues can have various causes. Mechanical problems such as faulty switches, springs, or malfunctioning pins can contribute to keyboard malfunctions. Software conflicts where incompatible or mismatched software leads to issues like unrecognized key inputs or incorrect functioning of function keys can also be a cause. Connectivity issues such as the keyboard not being recognized by the computer or problems with cables or wireless connections can result in improper keyboard operation. User-induced errors such as liquid spells, incorrect key installations, or improper cleaning of mechanical components can also lead to problems. To address these issues, the following solution may be necessary. If the problem is related to mechanical components, repair or replacement of faulty parts may be required. For software-related issues, fixing or updating the software can resolve conflicts. Troubleshooting connectivity problems may involve examining and fixing cables or wireless connections to restore proper keyboard operation. Regularly maintenance and cleaning of the keyboard are also important to prevent issues. By identifying the causes of problems and implementing these solutions, keyboard issues can be resolved, ensuring proper functionality. Objectives. Number 1. Identifying the underlying causes of the keyboard problem. 2. Investigate and analyze the underlying causes of keyboard issues. 3. To explore innovate solutions to address keyboard problems. 4. Develop effective diagnostic techniques or tools that can accurately identify the root causes of keyboard problems. Conceptual framework. Input. Computer engineering students often encounter keyboard problems, such as unresponsive keys or connectivity issues. These issues can arise due to various factors, including improper usage, software conflicts, and environmental conditions. Process. The identification of the specific keyboard problems will be conducted. The causes behind these issues will be investigated through research, surveys, or interviews. Practical solutions will be developed to effectively resolve the identified causes, keeping in mind the unique needs and requirements of the computer engineering students. Output. The aim is to improve keyboard functionality and enhance the overall user experience for computer engineering students by resolving keyboard issues. The goal is to increase productivity and enable efficient usage for academic work, resulting in higher satisfaction and usability among the students. Scope and delimitation. Scope of the study focuses on the impacts and solution for keyboard malfunctions, specifically within the Catanduan State University among various stakeholders. Limitation. The research is confined to the boundaries of Catanduan State University and does not extend to other institutions or industries. Review of related literature and studies. Laptops using membrane switches suffer from moisture and temperature effect causing intermittent and permanent failures. Keyboard troubleshooting is highly significant for Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering students as it directly impacts their academic performance, productivity, user experience, future professional practice, and cost resource management. Addressing keyboard issues is crucial for uninterrupted workflow and enhanced academic success. Efficient keyboard usage ensures productivity and timely completion of tasks. Improving the comfort and usability of keyboards enhances the overall user experience. The troubleshooting keyboard problems during studies equips students with valuable problem-solving skills for their future careers. It also minimizes unnecessary expenses and promotes efficient resource management. In summary, identifying causes and implementing solutions for keyboard issues is essential for the success and well-being of Bachelor of Science and Computer Engineering students. Identifying and solving keyboard issues is crucial for uninterrupted workflow and educational success at Catanduan State University. According to Romero et al. 2018, today's laptop keyboards utilize membrane switches, which are responsible for opening and closing circuits. These switches allow keyboards to be thin and lightweight, providing excellent portability and ergonomics for users. However, when exposed to certain combinations of temperature and humidity, these keyboards can experience intermittent and permanent failures. Intermittent failures refer to temporary malfunction of the switches, resulting in incorrect inputs or malfunctioning function keys. On the other hand, permanent failures can lead to continuous non-functioning switches or circuit disconnections. Methodology. Research design. Quantitative research focusing on gathering numbered data via surveys within the university's engineering and architecture department. Statistical approach. Descriptive statistics will be used to summarize and describe collected data, identifying trends and correlations related to keyboard troubleshooting. Data gathering procedure. Initial steps. Initiate contact with the dean for authorization. Determine the necessary sample size from different programs with the college. Survey distribution. Distribute approved survey forms to participants to collect data on keyboard issues and solutions. Lo- Local of these studies. The research will take place at Catanduanes State University in the College of Engineering and Architecture. Thank you.